past 9 months, and I think it's just about time to share with you all my diaper bag, aka my baby bag, aka the one thing that I bring with me every single day with baby. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is Clarizz. If this is your first time, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel because we do a lot of great DIY projects here, as well as a lot of lifestyle and mama videos, just like the one that I'll be sharing with you all today. So I wanted a backpack that I could just use for myself, that I can call my own, that is nice, chic looking, and a little bit more modern. Also something that would fit my 13-inch MacBook because I can't go anywhere without my MacBook. So I was eyeing this backpack from Matt and Nat. It's a company based in Montreal, Canada, and all their backpacks are all vegan leather, which I really love. So I ended up getting the Brave backpack. And when I first saw it, I really wanted it to work out to be a diaper backpack, but it does look a little bit smaller than all the regular size diaper backpacks out there. So I didn't know if it was gonna actually work. I didn't know if it was gonna serve its purpose as a really good diaper backpack. So I wanted to share with you all what is actually inside and also how I kind of organize this backpack. So this is it. It's basically, I really love this one because it has the rose gold hardware. 2 side pockets here, and you can't fit a water bottle. That is something that is going to suck if you're one who really likes your water bottle with you. I really love the look of this backpack. It's kind of like this flap, and inside, literally, there's just one big place to put all your stuff. Also a place to put maybe your wallet or something in here with a nice zipper, but other than that, it's just pretty deep. You definitely have to be organized to be able to kind of pull this as your diaper bag, because obviously everything would be just thrown in there and then it would just be mixed, and then you're just gonna have to take everything out. But I do want to show you how I do organize everything that's in here to kind of keep it, you know, clutter free and to make it easily accessible for me as a mama on the go. So these 3 items are usually always in the backpack, and I'll go through what they are right now. So this is definitely a must-have for this bag. It actually came with 4, and there was one that's a little bit smaller than the medium size, so the 3rd size, which I use for a really small bottle and for a couple formula bottles just in case I needed them. And Natalia's breastfed, and she has always been breastfed, so that was kind of like an emergency one, but honestly I don't know where that went, so sorry I wasn't able to show that to you. So for the biggest one, I've already replenished her diaper. This is usually what it looks like when it's super full. And so I have her rash cream over here. I have her wipes. This particular bag can fit 10 diapers, nice and snug. Also have her changing pad just in case we go out, you know, in the public changing rooms, but I usually don't do that because I don't know, I think they're so filthy even with this thing, so I just kind of change her in her stroller. This one I usually used when she was a lot younger for, you know, her crazy blow-ups. All right, next one, this is also another essential. Some extra pants for her, an extra shirt. These are extra pajamas, a nice little towel, and some extra socks. Obviously, if it's gonna be cold, all her jackets and some extra sweaters might just be in the car. Now, this one is just kind of some essentials for me and baby, just in case. I don't use this as much as I did before, because before I'd put like snacks here when I was super hungry, when I was breastfeeding. But now I'll show you what's inside. It's nice and small. First of all, a thermometer, because yes, we need that just in case. I have baby sunscreen. It's nice and sunny here, and spring is almost coming, so that's needed. This is a must-have for mommy. This is Peppermint Halo. It's a great thing to have for my headaches, and just, you know, when I have a little bit of cold or sniffles, I just add a little bit of this, and it just makes my life a whole lot better. I love that product. Next, we have some vapor rub from Frida Baby. I have some chapsticks for myself, some Kleenex for me, and then we have some boogie wipes. And these are the essentials. Now I'm gonna be putting them in the bag and show you exactly how I organize them in there. I would probably pack this. This is for nursing, and I also like to bring water with her, so that goes in there as well. So usually I can fit 2 of these OXO containers right here. I have a spoon in here and I put that in the front pocket. Well, I always have face and hand wipes. These are just the ones that I bought at Bye Bye Baby. Sanitizer from the Honest Company. A big cell phone. I have my wallet. So this is something that, you know, I could put right on top, or I could even put right here in the bag. I want to take a minute to explain what this one is. This is the Haakaa. This literally saved my life when I was super engorged with baby's milk when we were out for, you know, a whole day. This is kind of like my on-the-go pump, if you may say. This video is sponsored by Hakka, so I do want to thank them for sending this product over to me because it has been a lifesaver. So I want to quickly show you how this is used, because this is definitely something that has been super useful, not just in the morning feedings, but also if you are on the go and if you don't have your pump with you. So it's going to look like this, and pretend like this is your boob. So all you want to do is press against that on the side, and it's just going to go over your boob just like that. And you know, when you're breastfeeding, this can catch your letdown. But if you are out and about and need to let some milk out, you can use this as a nice pump. So this is definitely a great tool for any breastfeeding mamas out there. And that's about it with this video. I want to thank you all for tuning in. I'm going to be uploading a lot more helpful mama videos out there, as well as tons more DIY projects, so make sure that you're subscribed. Also, comment down below, let me know if you do have a diaper backpack or whatever other backpacks that you think is useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!